Are you trying to run content that requires Adobe Flash Player on Chrome, but keep running into an error or a blank screen? In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to enable Adobe Flash Player in the Chrome browser, so you can access sites like ultrasounds.com and get things running smoothly. By the end, you'll know the step-by-step process and understand why each step is important. So let's jump right in. First off, let's test whether Flash is already working on your browser. Start by opening a new tab and heading over to ultrasounds.com. This website is helpful because it actively uses Flash, so it's a perfect place to check if it's enabled by default. Once the page loads, look for any interactive elements, maybe a play button or some kind of animation. If you see a message saying you need Flash, or if things just aren't loading properly, that's a clear sign we need to enable it. Now, let's move on to the next step. Installing a Flash Player extension. Since Chrome no longer supports Flash natively, we'll do this using the Chrome Web Store. Go ahead and open another tab and type in Chrome Web Store. Once you're there, use the search bar at the top left and type in Flash Player. You'll see a few results pop up. Don't worry about choosing the perfect one, but I do suggest picking an option with plenty of positive reviews. This is just like choosing a tool from a toolkit. Pick something reliable, but all the main options will do the job. Once you've made your choice, click Add to Chrome. You might see a permission prompt. Feel free to read through it, then confirm to continue. The extension will download and install, which may take a moment, so sit back and let Chrome work its magic. Once the extension is installed, we need to make sure it's actually enabled. Sometimes Chrome might add the extension, but it's not active yet. To check, look at the top right corner of your browser. You'll see the little puzzle piece icon for extensions. Click on it, find your new Flash Player extension in the list, and confirm that it's toggled on or marked as enabled. If it's off, just click the switch to turn it on. This is crucial. Without this step, the extension won't do anything. Kind of like plugging in a lamp but forgetting to switch it on. All right, we're almost there. Now head back to your original ultrasounds.com tab, or just reload the page if you still have it open. Hit that refresh button. This lets Chrome recognize the new Flash extension and gives the content a fresh try. If you're redirected or prompted to grant permissions for Flash, go ahead and confirm. Sometimes these extensions need a tiny nudge to start working with the site's content. Take a look at those interactive elements on the site again. This time, click the play button or whatever activity you were trying to access earlier. With the Flash extension enabled, ultrasounds.com should be able to run its content without errors or roadblocks. If it still doesn't work, don't worry. Sometimes you may need to clear your cache or restart Chrome. But for most, this simple process gets everything working. So that's it. By following these steps, you've enabled Flash Player on Chrome and can enjoy Flash content just like before. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful for you. If you have any questions or if something didn't work as expected, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.